Hello everyone, this is Why Because. Today's topic is about applications of artificial intelligence. You know what? We use AI in our everyday life, and nowadays basically it is a part of our life. The usage of AI is growing more than 300% in the last few years. So we chosen 15 uses of artificial intelligence. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the topic. Number 15, agriculture. Analytics shows due to the increasing of population, food production should grow more than 50% by the end of 2030. So a lot of countries are promoting AI for farmers. With AI, farmer can analyze temperature, water usage, weather conditions, soil conditions, as well as AI helps to analyze best crop in that specific field. And there is an application called Plantex which can find diseases and health condition of plant by just scanning plant with your mobile phone camera. Not only that, there are robots called agribots which can plant seeds in the soil at a perfect depth with a perfect distance between them. Number 14. Games. AI can defeat world champions in a particular game in a matter of hours. An AI called AlphaZero defeated world famous chess champion called Gary in just 4 hours of self-learning. By understanding opponent movements and by predicting, AI can win any game. You know what? AI also defeated world champion of hardest Japanese game called Shogi. That's about board games. Now let's dive into video games. AI in video games started in 1950s. Nowadays every game has a built-in AI with it. Now let's take a game which is mainly based on AI called Fear Game, which is a battleground game and our opponent is AI. In this game, AI makes unpredictable moves which make this game lot harder. Nowadays researchers are building an AI that can build a game from the scratch without any help of developer. Number 13. Finance. In just a short 10 years ago, to find our bank balance or statement, we have to go to a bank. But now we can find in our mobile at any time because of AI. With the help of AI, we can transfer money to anyone at any time. With the help of AI, we can connect to customer care. Almost AI can solve all the problems. The main topic of AI financing is AI trading. Nowadays, AI is also used in trading and stock market to predict which stock is going to rise today and which is going to fall today. And these predictions are 75% correct. And the main example of this trading app is iFlip Invest. With the help of this AI trading app, we can figure out on which company we should invest. Nowadays, with the help of AI, we can open bank accounts at your home at any time. Number 12. Education. Compared to 90s, almost everything has been changed except education system, which is same from hundreds of years. With the help of AI, we can able to change that. Some schools already started these AI based classes to interact with students. Almost no students have same dreams. Students are completely different from each other. A teacher explaining same thing for all students won't be perfect. With the help of AI, we can change that. AI enhance the student interaction with it. It is not simple that teacher can monitor and gives feedback of every student, but an AI can do it. With the feedback of an AI, teacher can guess who is performing well. And AI can entirely reshape the education system. Number 11. Navigation. You know what? I am completely dumb in memorizing routes. Just like me, there are a lot of people using Google Maps and Apple Maps daily. Have you ever thought how can Google give you a traffic updates? Basically, AI is the one which is analyzing if there are a lot of mobiles in a certain area, that means traffic is high. If there are less mobiles in a certain area, that means traffic is low. That shows green light. Not only in traffic updates, AI is helping developers to improve GPS navigation in place with limited map data. Number 10. AI in marketing. In short, 10 years ago, the hardest problem in market is finding targeted audience and defining them. But now AI makes that too simple. Have you observed the product you have seen in Amazon or Flipkart is shown in Instagram or Facebook as an ad? If you search black shoe or black shirt, for few days you can only see black shoes or black shirts because AI analyzes and predict what you want to buy. In social media marketing, platforms like Google and AdSense has its own analytic page to understand what people are liking and what people are interested in. That would help to grow your business. That's all because of AI. Number 9. Speech recognition. The assistants we use daily like Google, Siri, Cortana and Alexa are mainly speech recognition AIs. Basically, AI recognizes your voice with its wavelength. These assistants make our daily life simple. Now imagine how much they are helpful for a paralyzed person or a person diagnosed with ALS. The great example for ALS disease is Stephen Hawking. These recognitions helps paralyzed people a lot. People having these diseases has imperfect voice or non-clear voice, which assistants can't understand. But a person designed an AI called Paraton Speech Conversion, eventually which is taken by Google, which can understand almost 50% of words spoken by these people. Just imagine how helpful these speech recognitions for those people who can't move their muzzle. These are just normal or some important applications of AI. If you want to watch more content like this, if you want to watch second part of this video, make sure you subscribe it to Why Because. If you end up liking this video, like this video. If you end up hating this video, dislike this video. But don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.